against the net here, so you're seeing me at this completely different angle today, and that is because this big box has arrived. What is it? I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's my first ever Stitch Fix box. So, I love the way it comes rolled like this, not full of hundreds of plastic, and there's a little envelope that has prices. So it says your stylist thought these would look good on you. So how does it work? Well, you set up an account with Stitch Fix. You create a profile. So your height, your weight, your size, what it is you're looking for. So you can either say things like, I'm looking for workwear or leisure wear quite a lot, and I'm not looking for party wear very often. You can go in every day and it gives you a selection of items, and you can say like, don't like, right? So it gives them a better idea apparently as you go along on what your likes are and what your dislikes are. And for £10, right, your stylist puts all this together. That's a scratchy throat there. Your stylist puts a package together. So you can go in and you can decide, I only want to pay no more than £30 for trousers. So you can set limits. However, your £10 comes off, your box gets delivered. You can go in, is there maybe about 10 items? And you can go onto the website, go into what is ready to be sent to you or potentially, and you can pick the items you like, or remove the ones that you dislike, or you can just keep it as a complete surprise. So for my first time I was a bit nervous, and I did go in and tick the items that I liked. I have no idea how much they cost because my memory is like a sieve. Don't think it was too expensive, but I can't imagine I'm going to want to keep everything. So in here, right, returns are free as well, which is fantastic. You get this little booklet that says oh hello, and it tells you a little bit about your style. So it's customised as well, which I like that, and it gives you outfit suggestions for your items. I like that. So they put together various different things for me. I hope the size is correct because I don't know what the sizes are like. This is fantastic, and it gives you lots of different ways to wear them. I think that's great. So invite your friends and save £15 on your next Stitch Fix. Your friends get £15 credit too. So we can do that if you want, if you're interested. So as I say, your outlay is your £10. That came off my PayPal. And then there must be a limit of time that you can return this. That's my worry, is that I don't return them on time. Okay, so, right, stylist's pick subtotal, right, £228. Buy all, you get a 20% discount, which is £45 if you buy it all, which comes to £182. Take off the £10 that you've paid. Delivery is free, thank you. So that gives me a total of £172.40 if I like the box. Well, what have I got in here? I've got a jumpsuit, a cardi, 2 sweaters and a pair of jeans. And the jeans had to pick in waist size, so I had to kind of guess. Hope I've not got it wrong. If it's too small, I'm not coming out in it. I will just show you what I've got first, and then we'll see if I'm going to try them on. Right, okay, so they roll everything, as I said. So this is a first. So this is a jumper, and it is from Mauvette. Never heard of Mauvette before, but I think that is kind of super cute with the little stars on it. I do not wear jumpers because I am perimenopausal, and I tend to end up roasting hot. But we'll give that a bash. Maybe turn the heating down. So how much was that? It was £42. Okay. A little bit more than I would pay for a top, to be honest with you. But hey ho. What is this? Oh, is this is a jumpsuit. Now, I love the look of this jumpsuit. Don't know if you can see it. I'm just thinking, I'm going to have to walk right far back for you to see what I'm wearing, aren't I? Yeah. The next item, so how much was the jumpsuit? £52, which is fine. It's nice thick cotton, looks good quality. So what is this? What is this? Oh, now this is nice. This is Batwing Jumper. Love the colour. How much is this? £45. So yeah, that's quite nice. I like the feeling of that. We've got 2 more items. So you get 5 items then, they send you 5 items. Oh, and this is Waterfall Cardigan by Movet. Again, I've never heard of this brand. But yep, I like a little waterfall cardigan. Especially for around the house or just keeping in the office on the back of my chair. And the jeans are straight legged. Oh, and they have a turn up. Well, I hope that turn up turns down. Yeah, it does. That is fine. Panic over, just in case it didn't. So, jeans are £55, which is way more than I would pay. Usually buy my jeans from Tesco, Asda or Next. The cardigan is £34, which is fine. The star sweater is £42. The jumpsuit is £52. And the Batwing jumper was £45. Right, so I'm going to see if I'm brave enough to try any of this on and let you see what it looks like. So I've just gone for a really easy one. I didn't even need to take anything off to try it on for you. So it is the Waterfall Cardigan, and I think I need to push it back even more. Right, wait there. To move some washing. Right, there we go. Are we far enough back? Yep. So that's a Waterfall Cardigan. It feels nice and cozy. I actually like the feeling of it. I'll need to talk to myself whether I'm keeping this or not. So I will try the jumper on next. So this is a Batwing jumper on its own. Yeah, you can see the little bow on my bra. It's not, yeah. It's not bad, but how much is it? It's not £45 for me. So yeah, it's definitely going back. So this jumper is just so cute. I love it. Yeah, this is probably, most definitely, a kind of keeper for me. I don't kind of wear jumpers like this, but I think it's quite nice for casual. Yeah, I like it. Gets a thumbs up. So the jeans, oh my gosh, they are so comfortable. I'll go right back. Yep, I don't know if you can see them properly, but they are so comfortable. I'm trying to show you there. Go back. So comfortable. But they're £55 and I'm trying to lose weight. So yeah, if I was kind of even a size smaller, I would keep them. But I've got like 3 new pairs of jeans, but they feel amazing. Not sure about the turn up, but I think it depends. If you wore that with sandals in the summer, the turn up would be cute as well, wouldn't it? Right, okay. I love the jeans, but they are going back just because, yeah, I don't need any jeans at the moment, but they feel so nice. I'm going to actually keep a note of the brand as well. So I'm going to try on the last outfit, which is the jumpsuit. What can I say about this jumpsuit? It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. However, I don't know where I would wear it to at the moment. If it was nicer weather, it covers my arms, you know. It covers the boobies. It's got a nice little belt here that covers, you know, the belly. It's very comfortable. It has pockets. So I'm gonna have to think about it. I am gonna have to think about it. Let me know, what do you think about the items? What would you keep? What would you send back? Yeah, I know I'm overweight. Yeah. So these are all kind of size 18, and the size is good. You know, some brands you kind of got to be careful sizes you buy, but no, these are all kind of really true to size. So I am kind of delighted with this jumpsuit. I don't want to take it off. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to think about it, and for my first Stitch Fix box, it is a thumbs up. Next month I might put a wee note in saying stuff for work. It's starting to go back into the office. Could wear this into the office, but it's kind of cropped. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do about this one. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is my first Stitch Fix box, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, let me know what you think. What would you keep? No nasty, rude comments. I know I'm overweight. I don't need you to tell me. And yeah, if you haven't already, laughing with my friend Julie, who's got a great channel, Juella, and she was saying she always forgets to say to people, subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to say, if you're not already subscribed and you're still here, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch up with you soon, guys. Bye.